Hi Squiggler mates! We're optimizing bedding by pre-composting it. We're getting this started with about 25 liters or so of shreds, carbon shreds, and then we'll be adding close to 8 liters of liquefied kitchen and garden waste. So we can begin the composting process with very small particles of food so that they will be decomposing without contributing smells to draw critters or anything unpleasant for indoor pre-composting project. Oyster shell meal not only acts as grit for the worms when they have it, but it also will serve as a buffer. I'm also going to add some eggshell. Okay, so we got some grit, we've got some carbon, and now we're going to get some nitrogen. So let's see. This looks close to about 3 liters. This is cucumbers ground up. Still have some seed. By pre-composting, the worms in the farm will be able to go through this twice as quickly. Also seems to increase the fungal activity, and I get to maximize my space as far as kitchen scraps, herbs, and of course some onion skins. I'm using all the bits I've had around for a while, between onion skins, garlic skins, bits of herbs, all kinds of garden waste, all kinds of goodness, paper towels, bits of plants I'd rather not waste, and coffee filters, frozen food, things in the fridge that I'm ready to get rid of. All of this will go in and be helping all these carbons to turn into pre-composted material, which I can then use as wormy bedding. This is the perfect setup if you don't already have a worm farm and you're just starting out with one. This will build all the microbiology that you need to start a farm without having some castings to pre-inoculate it with. So this is perfect bedding that you would start a couple of weeks before you're ready to get your worms. So as long as it's cool, it's ready. Oh wait, wrong part of the watermelon. We've got about 3 liters here, maybe a little bit more. So whether you're starting a new farm or you really want to try the pre-composting, you're making this material actually softened up with microbes. The bacteria and fungi will actually heat up, which is why you need to make sure that it's cooled by the time you're ready to use it with worms. So mixing it every week will help to keep it active. Seems like it's going to be good. I may not have to add any water at all. Let's see if we squeeze it. I can get just a few drops. I'm always keeping in mind how to optimize the system, keeping it efficiently running. Feels actually like a really good bedding material. Keeping the worms in healthy bedding is the goal here. I think the moisture is just right. I don't think I need to add any more moisture. And now we will be adding a starter. We're using Filmyolk. Filmyolk is a cultured product with mesophilic bacteria, and this will be mixed all throughout to get a great microbial start on this. This is part 1 of this pre-composting series. Keep watching for all the rest.